Pleasant day to all of you. I will discuss about music therapy. Can a music heal a wounded heart or soul? Does music give us hope? Almost all people listen to music with different genres, such as rock, romance, pop, and etc. Music expresses thoughts through our feelings and puts you instantly in a good mood. Music has been known to have many positive effects on its listeners. Music can affect personality and emotion of person because they were suffering, relate their problems to the song, and can help reduce the both sensation and distress which relieve you. Music also has an effect in a person's past performance. Since it can change moods and give more motivation to its listeners, it also entertains and attracts people who are about to listen the music. Nowadays, they also use instruments in singing for more attractive composition. Music cheers you up, and music can alter your mood. It plays a good role in our society because it strengthens us in our hearts and minds. They said that this is a window of soul and makes people unite. It makes our world lively and encourages us every time we listen. Music is a way to express yourself and make you company while alone. Without music, there is no purpose in lot of stuff. It calms you down and means a lot to the listeners. Many people said that music can give us hope and heal our problem. They said that it lightens our world and give life. They said it's the way to express your emotions life. It is also the source of inspiration and source of relief. They also said that music is everywhere and it is freedom to them. Music can affect your mentality. Music means a lot. It opens our soul. Music helps people maintaining the culture in our country. It must be loved and considered it by all people. We must all consider the music can help us and the best way to overcome an obstacle.